Gwaan YouTube. Hey man, it's been like a whole year since I've ever checked in on this account when it comes to doing long form video. So I think with this video, we're gonna do a couple of life updates, what's been happening, a few things that I've been doing in London and South Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And yeah, it's been a while, man. I hope everybody's been doing all right. Hold on. Let me take off these glasses because every time I shoot on this YouTube thing, I always have my glasses on and I feel like none of you guys really know me like that. And we need to change that and vice versa. So anyways, I'm alive, still doing it, still doing some good things, I hope. And yeah, stick around. I think first things first, I need to be more consistent with this YouTube thing, man, because I got a brand deal towards the end of the year and it was for a YouTube campaign and I was like, oh yeah, this is worth it. Okay, all right, let's jump into the YouTube world. So I think that's gonna be the main focus for 2026 as we like kind of get into that. So there's that. Two, wow, I think the last time, man, since like being on here, let me give you a quick update from, because it's been a while. In 2024, like November 2024, like towards the end of when I was originally living here in London, I packed my bags and I went back to Florida. So, and even in Florida, I haven't lived there in such a long time. It's crazy. So once I went back, I was like, oh my God. But long story short, did my 2 years in England. I loved it. It was time for me to go home. It was good and all. The first year, amazing. Doing content deals, this, that, meeting new people, all sorts of stuff. So I was like, all right, year one went pretty good. Then year two came around. Yeah, it wasn't going so good. It wasn't going so good. I don't know what happened, man. Everything just went down the drain. And my second year, I was like, well, forget it. I'm just gonna go ball out then and just try to see every single place that I haven't been to while I'm over here, because, why not? That was not a smart idea, but it was it was totally worth it. But if you're ever gonna do something, like make sure it's within your own terms. So I'm not blaming anybody. I had fun while doing it, and I already set a plan to basically restart my content creation career. So fast forward though, starting over in your 30s is never fun, right? And I got back November 2024. Everything was going good, cool, great. Hit the ground running. As soon as I got back, I was like, yo, you already know, God bless America, baby, let's go. And then homeboy started talking about tariffs in March, so that slowed things down quite a bit. God, man, I don't know what we're doing over there. But anyways, it was a good year. Everything was good. Basically, got the business and content creation, everything back on track. We closed down the photo studio that we had in East London, so that was a bit of a process too. Got that shut down and got rid of that. And but yeah, I've been living in Florida for the entire part, and I've just been grinding that entire year. So friends and family, if I didn't hit you up, it's just because I've been grinding that entire year, trying to get back everything to how it was. And yeah, we're back, baby. That's pretty much it. 2024, 2025, spent that whole year grinding. But in the summer of 25, my girlfriend and I, we got a flat here in Bromley. So this is our Bromley place. I'll do a flat tour some other time, some other video, something. And we've been here, we've had this place for about 5-6 months now, and honestly, Bromley is just like Fort Lauderdale. It's literally the same thing. You get the benefits of being in Miami without being in Miami. So you get the benefits of being able to be close to London without being in London. And for me, I guess I'm getting older now, so I prefer to not be in the mix like that. I have my place, everything is good, cool, great. I'll see you when I see you when I'm over there. So there's that update. So yeah, the duality is nice. So basically what I do is I do 6 months in Florida and then I do 6 months over here. And I just travel back and forth. And it's been great, man. I actually wish I did this before or instead of just packing my bags and coming here full time, The duality is great. And at the end of the day, I'm an American. So usually when I come to London or England or Bromley or whatever, I always catch a Spurs match. I usually do that. And I play football. I have my group of friends here as well, and I always love just checking with people, catch up, stuff like that. So you might see a few people pop in and out of the vlog, and when it comes to football, usually I play in Bromley, but the match that I want to go to, or the game that I want to go to is full. So I'm going to go to a different area. So I'll let you see a few scenes from that. Well, I'll put some few scenes on that. And what else do we have planned? So yeah, I'm pretty much going to show you what like a week looks like when I'm here. But this time around, I'm only here for 2.5 weeks because Christmas is coming up. I want to do Christmas with my family in Florida. And then my lady will join me later in December. And that's just how we usually do things. So, but the duality has been really nice. Like, you never get bored. Let's put it that way. Also, another thing, we're gonna do a quick like unboxing type of haul type of situation. Building a wardrobe in like 2 different countries is not easy. So what I do is I order things ahead of time, and I keep my winter and my autumn wardrobe here, and then I have like my entire summer wardrobe over in Florida, cause yo, it's hot 24/7. Long story short is, I think these are some sweatpants, cool. Some brown pants. Got a puffer here, another blue puffer, and I'm gassed about this one. I think this one's gonna be legit. This is like a brown leather jacket. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna style a few of these. I'm gonna show you how these like fit on me and everything. But the video is definitely not sponsored. You know, I just like to look fly everywhere I go. That's all. That's all. But yeah, man, come along for the journey. Let me show you a few things. Boom. I know I had this outfit already on, but the shades completed. But this jacket came from Boohoo Man as well. And so this is outfit number 1, and we did all right. I know it's the same thing pretty much because it's the blue, but I wanted to see how this outfit looked with the same navy sweatpants and another blue top, so I can kind of like mix it up. I'm feeling the other jacket better, but I can see myself in this through the bottom part of the Sony, and hey man, this jacket's kind of tough, man. I go with it. I like it. I already knew this one was gonna go hard because when I saw it online, I was like, yeah, textures, colors, everything, light brown, dark brown, mix and match, let's do this. But yeah, man, I'm digging this one. This one's kind of cool. The jacket I ordered like a size up because I wasn't too sure, but I think it fits kind of nice. Even though I was going for that like crop boxy look, I feel like I get that with this. But yeah. What are we thinking about this one? Let me know. All right, we're in the 4th outfit now. Those simple sweatpants, got like a washed out green, and then a stone puffered jacket. I already knew these were gonna do well too, just because of the type of like tone and color. Like I don't like anything where it's like too colorful, like I'm in the Caribbean or something, even though I'm Caribbean. But the stone wash and the faded types of washes, I don't know, for some reason, like I just gravitate towards those during the winter, because at least it gets you away from the all black. Like I love wearing all black at times, but you gotta like mix it up every now and then. But this is it, cozy little fit. I'm in my 30s now, so sweatpants, wide leg pants. Bro, I'm not wearing anything too tight, not a chance. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Wagwan people. All right, so we're ready to go out. Basically, my girlfriend and I, we're headed to some event that she has down in Shoreditch. But yeah, basically spared you all the details this morning of making breakfast and stuff, and just got fly. So you know, woo! But yeah, so I'm gonna be here for like a couple of weeks. So we might as well. We're gonna go check out London, her event down in Shoreditch, and that's pretty much it, man. I woke up late today because I've just been on this whole jet lag thing. So, but it's all good. You know, as long as you don't do this crap during the week, then it's all good.
Is it good? Good? Or are you just saying that? It's really good?
It's cancerous good.
Put on the internet.
That means it's good.
Oh, is this a video?
Yeah. Drop it on. Oh, what's good,
it's your
baby?
boy,
Oh, man.
living in London and Toronto.
There we
You
go.
know.
My God. Yeah, man. We had to get Matt on the vlog very quickly. So,
This is what you're using.
Replacing number 14, Archie Gray.
Yeah!
I hope we're in focus here. Anyways, so I'll go on YouTube. We're back. Let's see. My girlfriend just left. She went back to England, and it's just basically me here. So I'm getting ready to go back to England right now. But on today's agenda, I'm gonna go get a haircut because your boy has been looking kind of rough underneath this, man. But the other thing, cool thing is, I picked up this little hat from our cruise that we went on, and I vibe with it. I keep forgetting that they make hats like these where you could have your hair pop out, then you just have the visor or the thing on in the front. It must be a Florida thing, but I completely forgot that these even existed. So I was so happy when I found it. Anyways, let's get this baby rolling, and then we are gonna get out of here. So back to the Bicoastal living thing. See, there goes an ambulance right now coming out, so there might be some noise. But back to the Bicoastal living thing. It's so much more convenient to do it this way than it was to actually just pack my bags and leave the country, at least in my honest opinion. Because when it comes to just overall, like working in America, it's a lot better in my opinion to work in America than it is in other places, just because you have more versatility and freedom and things like that to do. Quality of life is kind of questionable. You know, one thing that Europe does much better than us is the quality of life, that's for sure. England, France, Spain, Portugal, wherever you go, quality of life is much better, and work-life balance, or whatever you want to call it, right? But I like to work, so yeah, doing the duality thing or bicoastal thing is just so much better in my opinion. And also the other thing, like, it didn't make sense to go buy like a Civic Type R or something that I'm gonna make payments on. Like, I'd rather just have the car, something that I want to drive that is fun, and just buy it cash. And when I'm not in town, obviously, like, my family can use the car. So I was like, all right, this is a sensible decision to make. So I was like, all right, let's make sure that we're not doing anything too crazy here. But as far as like plans with the car, oh, for sure, there's I'm gonna put this out into the universe, but by the end of this year it needs to be turboed. Yeah, it needs to be turboed. I'm not sure if I can do the turbo install myself. I'm pretty sure I can, but doing the tuning and making sure all the sensors and stuff reads right, yeah, I'm not touching that. Like, that's a whole nother thing for a whole nother day. And if any of my Honda people know, that you always know that you have to go to a specialist to get these kind of cars tuned, otherwise you might blow up your engine. But that's going to be the goal for the end of the year, at least with this vehicle, is to turbo it or supercharge or whatever. I'm making this bicoastal thing work, and so far it's been going pretty good. And you know, if it doesn't go good at a certain point, then it's no issue. You can always just go back to America, you know? So I always, you know, especially like for me, I left the country when I was like 29, and I didn't want to get too old to where I couldn't enjoy myself overseas and just go meet a bunch of people my age and go do different things while still working remotely and doing certain things. So, yo, if you can, leave the country just do it for 1 year though. Don't do it how I did it, where I left for like 2 years. That was a little bit too much. But 1 year overseas, I think that's like perfect. You could always come back to work. Like, it's not going anywhere unless, you know, it's the end of the world. Like, which it won't be anytime soon, hopefully. So, yeah, there's that. Just do it for 1 year. That's bottom line. Just do it for one. That's it. So glad we got to catch up. See my plans for YouTube. So hopefully we make that a little bit more consistent on here. And yeah, man, it's always good catching up. These are the life updates. And like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal, the usual. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about becoming like a full-time content creator or just anything you want to know. Hit me up in the comments. I'm usually good at answering them. Peace.